In this video, I'll show you how to open an IOC limit order. First, go to the order entry file. Then go to the IOC function. Inside this function, you'll see examples for a buy order, sell order, and a reduce only order. Let's start by setting a buy order. Remember, all these examples are similar. We just need to change the values. So I comment out the other lines and set a buy order for the OP token. When we want to open an IOC order for a long position, we should set the limit price as a large number, higher than the current market price. To open a short position, just set the limit price to 0. Now save the file and run it with this command. If you check the Reya Dex, you'll see that the position has opened successfully. Next, let's open a short position for the ARB token. Running the file again will open a short position. To close a position, simply use the reverse size. And to test the reduce only mode, you can enable it by setting the reduce only parameter to true. That's it. In the next video, we'll learn how to set take profit and stop loss orders.